Welcome back, dear student friends. In this video, I'll educate about how to write a persuasive essay. So, if you want to know how to write a persuasive essay, then watch this full video, and please don't skip any part. What is persuasive essay? Before we try to learn how to write a persuasive essay, let's try to understand what persuasive essay really is. A persuasive essay is a type of essay where you have to give your opinion about the topic you are being provided with. In this type of essay, you have to convince your reader about your opinions, beliefs, and views about the topic, while providing some evidence to support them. You can recognize a persuasive essay with questions like, does social media create isolation? Or is society too dependent on technology? When you are being asked such questions, then you could understand that you have to write a persuasive essay. How to write a persuasive essay? A persuasive essay is basically your opinion about certain topic or an issue. For example, when you are asked about writing on does social media creates isolation? Then you have to put views on social media, after either negating or supporting the topic. You can put your views on this topic as follows. Although social media is a great way to stay connected with your childhood friends, residing all over the world, but still excess use of social media is harmful for the physical and psychological health of any person. Your persuasive essay must lead to a precise conclusion on the topic, and you have to convince the readers about your opinions, beliefs, and views and their validity. Different parts of a persuasive essay. You can add following parts in your essay. Introduction. Start your introduction with an eye-catching sentence. For example, in the social media topic you can write, social media has brought a new revolution by allowing people to connect any person living in any part of the world. Then you can provide details of the context of your argument or subject while familiarizing the reader with your content. In the social media example, you can write, around 4.55 billion people throughout the world are using any type of social media website or smartphone application. It is evident from this figure how large the social media platform has become. Thereafter, provide a brief thesis of your main argument for the persuasive essay. Your thesis will also serve as a roadmap for the rest of your essay, giving the reader a general path of your argument. In the social media example, you can provide thesis like, it is a fact that social media has become one of the most promising platforms to stay connected with friends and family members. In fact, many large MNCs are also using social media networks to promote their products and services. However, it is also evident through many researches that excessive use of social media can incur psychological issues on the user, like isolation, stress, or depression in many cases. Body paragraph. You can use 2 to 3 or more body paragraphs in your persuasive essay, depending upon the word limit. Select a particular statement to start your paragraph, related to the topic you've chosen. Then use the topic sentence to reflect the main idea of the paragraph, while linking back to support your thesis statement. In the social media example, you can write, many researches on the effects of social media prove that overexposure of social media for teenagers is harmful. Thereafter, provide detailed information about the topic from a reliable outside source that supports the main idea of the paragraph. In the social media example, you can write, Darrell et al. 2020 argues in his paper that exposure to social media for a long time can let the teenagers suffer from biological disorders like depression, mental illness, addiction, obesity. Then, continue your paragraph with providing details about this research. In the social media example, you can write, the minds of teenagers are not made for any vulgar language or obscenity. Many users of social media use very vulgar or obscene language. Therefore, it is not good for the teenagers or people who are sensitive. Conclusion. Tie up your essay with conclusion, while briefly summing up main points. Establish significance of your topic while giving the readers a food for thought. In the social media example, you can write, Social media has become a most prolific resource for the users, who want to stay connected with friends and family members. Although, its overuse is not good, but any resource is harmful if you use it in excess, like eating lots of food, watching television. Social media has its own negative and positive sides. It's our responsibility to justify its use while mitigating its negative effects. So, this was my detailed video on how to write a persuasive essay. If you loved this video, then please like it, give a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon. This will let you watch our videos instantly, whenever they are uploaded in our channel.